Hello.
Now that we have learned the alphabets,
Hello.
let us learn some words with alphabet
Baro na
sounds.
ni Mama? Ha? Oh, say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Ha? Put down the phone?
Phonic sound.
Ha?